Nice to see the sheep. And that down there, I think, is the River Aire. It's about -4, -4.5 Celsius. My fingers are nipping. Lots of those around today. You can hear the water running. There's a river just down there. It's not the River Aire as I thought though. I'll need to look it up on the map and I'll post it up here, what it's called. Later on with luck I'll fly the drone. Looks like a good day for it. Is this passable? Okay, over there's easy.
If it gets any worse, if we were to cross that, it would be different.
Yeah. Yeah, that'll be fine.
Just watch your feet.
Yeah. A bit tricky getting down to it, these rushes. Oh yeah. Whoop, careful.
And it's not mud, it's ice.
Just a deep bit.
To the grass. Go this side.
Aye, yeah.
Step over this side. Don't step in there like I did.
No. Let's not do that. Slightly tricky, but doable. Right, so upwards.
Looking around.
Straight up.
Oh, that's all right.
That's where we're going. Cairn table, what is it, about 410 metres, something like that?
Well, we're 540 at the moment.
Oh, there you go, so it's more than that. So we made it to Cairn table. I'm just wondering if this is a Pictish thing. That'll give you an idea of the size. There's my poles. There's some cairns over there, but that's not Cairn table. Cairn table is that one. And that's where we're going to go, to the top. It's a handy wee place to shelter if you really were stuck and it was bad weather. A little bit more, and we're there. More. You made it. Whoop. Trails are getting longer. Well, I hope you enjoyed that walk. It was great, it was cold, but it was sunny, a bit boggy in a lot of places. And I hope especially you enjoyed the drone shots. If you're on the live stream, well, please look up the live stream too if you want. I did 2 live streams today. Wow, the sun is beautiful behind me. Wow, too bright, huh? Anyway, thanks again. Do subscribe. Have a look at my other stuff. Look at a few, click a few likes on them. It always helps. thanks again and bye from below Cairn Table. Yeah. Okay, Merrill's, here we go.
Just go fast.
Yeah, so wait.
It's certainly above the boot level, so it's definitely down the gate. I'll see.
Breathe it in, the sky reborn, golden threads in shadows torn, over hills the silence sings, rise to meet the light it brings. Hold on, carry us apart on the edge where our dreams collide. Time begins when the heart is free in the dawn, of eternity. Oceans stretch beyond the gaze, ancient roads in twilight haze, chasing